How to use same Snapchat account in two devices. Watch the video till the end. If you're wondering if you can use the same Snapchat accounts on two devices, then it's quite possible and the answer is yes, you can easily use same Snapchat accounts on two devices. Suppose if you have logged in on your Snapchat account on your primary device as on your mobile or your PC. Suppose if you have logged into your mobile, then you can easily use secondary device as your PC. So since we are on the PC, on the web address bar, you can simply search for snapchat.com and press enter on your keyboard. As you can see, we have reached to the login page of Snapchat. You can either use the username or email address, or you can also use your phone number instead of it. So let's enter our username here and click on the login button. Now you have to enter the password of your account. If you forget your password, click on forgotten password. Otherwise, you can simply continue entering your password. Now click on the next button. And as you can see that a pop-up message has appeared that says if you want to enable browser notifications so that you never miss out the latest chats and calls from your friends, if you wish to enable, click on it, otherwise click on not now. So in this way you can easily use the same Snapchat accounts on two devices. I hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, then do like our videos. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates. First of all, open any preferred browser. Then on the web address bar, type in spotify.com. Press enter on the keyboard. This will open the official web page of Spotify application. At the top right corner, you will get sign up and login button. So to create an account on Spotify, just click on sign up button. Here you need to enter your email address or you can sign up with Google, Facebook and Apple. So you need to enter the email address and click on the next button. Now you'll be taken to this page where you have to create a strong password which contains at least one letter, number or special character and 10 characters. So let's enter the password. And click on the next button. Now you have to tell about yourself, your name, date of birth and the gender. Click on next and then you have to agree to the terms and condition. So if you want Spotify to send news and offers from Spotify, you can check mark this box. If you want to share your registration data with Spotify's content provider for marketing purpose, you need to check mark this. And if you agree to the Spotify terms and condition of use and privacy policy, just check mark this small box and click on the sign up button. If you wish to save the password, click on save, otherwise click on never. Once you are done with all the steps, your account has been successfully created on Spotify. If you want to check it off, you can click on this profile at the top right corner of the screen and go to profile and check it. wise, you can also go to accounts and check it. So this is how you can easily create account on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like our videos. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel.